Hello, thanks for stopping by. It's Peg, and today I am working on an ATC. This is June, and it's all about ATCs this month. But today's ATC is for My Creative Year. Now, My Creative Year is a Facebook group, and we have challenges and all kinds of things going on. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, need some prompts or whatever, come and join us. But I am making this one based on the challenge for the month. This month we are talking about passion, so I'm breaking out my Deco Art Media fluid acrylics and I'm using them to paint on the background of the ATC and these hearts. These are just some die cut hearts, and drying the paint off, and then I'm going to use some different things to texturize the background, looking at how I want to apply things, picking out different pieces. Making ATCs, you just look at all the things that you have sitting around in your desk and make something out of it. So I'm pulling out a few things from my stash. I've got these stickers. I might or might not use them. I've got my ink pad, and going to use some stamping on there for some texture. Get a couple of different colors. I've got a blue and a black pad out, and just using this texture on this particular rubber stamp to add a little more dimension. And then I'm going to edge the hearts with that blue also, just to give it a little more depth. So talking about passion, we all think of hearts when we think about something passionate. One of the things that I wanted to include in my ATC was the bee. Now, technically speaking, a bee should not be able to fly. It's designed all wrong aerodynamically. And, yet and still it is successful at what it does. And it works diligently all the time to fulfill its role. So from a spiritual perspective, the bee speaks to our limitations and how we can move past them successfully. It's doubtful that the bee knows that it shouldn't fly. It simply does, and so can you. So my passionate message to you, dear friend, is to be creative, to work diligently, doing daily art, and be passionate about what you're doing. Read everything you can, share everything you can, because that's how we grow. So that's it for me for this ATC and this month. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you are passionate in pursuing what you love. Goodbye, my friends.